RSI 14 is 92 and the stock is extremely overbought on RSI 14, so further reactions should be expected. Some stocks may have a long and hard correction after reaching so high in RSI, but not in all cases. However, the short-term risk has increased drastically and larger movements in the next couple of days can be expected. Big movements in Inpixon stock price on Monday, moving 19.15% between high and low, updated on January 25, 2021. Buy or hold candidate since January 5, 2021 gained 49.07%. The Inpixon stock price fell by -0.62% on the last day, Monday, January 25, 2021, from $1.62 to $1.61. During the day the stock fluctuated 19.15% from a day low at $1.41 to a day high of $1.68. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 45.05% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -679,000 shares and in total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $23.24 million. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $1.62 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 19.83% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $1.30 and $1.95 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecasts. The Inpixon stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.41 and $1.13. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, January 22, 2021, and so far it has fallen -0.62%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.44 and $1.34. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Inpixon finds support just below today's level at $1.44. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.34 and $1.28. The stock may move very much during a day volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 27 cents between high and low, or 19.15%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 16.20%. The Inpixon stock is overbought on RSI 14 and lies in the upper part of the trend. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, but some stocks may go long and hard while being overbought. Regardless, the high RSI together with a trend position increases the risk, and higher daily movements volatility should be expected. A correction down in the nearby future seems very likely, and it is of great importance that the stock manages to break the trend before that occurs. Our recommended stop loss, $1.56 minus 3.39%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 92 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found one day ago. Is Inpixon stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Inpixon stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. Current score, 1.424. Predicted opening price for Inpixon of Tuesday, January 26, 2021. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price January 26, 2021. Current price $1.57.